What's the difference?
What's the difference between an artery and a vein?
What's the difference?
All the difference in the world.
I thought we were using mice.
What's the difference?
What's the difference?
Ignorance is bliss, my friend.
We run. I'm already a deserter. What's the difference?
Business is business. You use a gun, I use a fountain pen. What's the difference?
What's the difference between a battleship and a destroyer?
You see, battleships are great ships.
What's the difference?
What's the difference? Have you ever seen that? They're hideous.
Exactly what's the difference between genius and most genius? Quite a lot.
I just can't believe you would do that for a human.
Humans? Monsters? What's the difference?
What gives you the right? What's the difference between you and me?
I'm not wearing hockey pads. And all I can answer myself is, what's the difference?
What's the difference between Spider-Man and Peter Parker? Spider-Man gets the girl.
What defines a person? What defines property? What's the difference?
Never mind. What's the difference? Look, the past is behind us, right? Tomorrow's going to be a new day.
You're sitting here for extortion. I'm sitting here for fraud. So there's a difference.
And what's the difference?
I didn't threaten anybody. You did.
It seems we're both willing to kill for a cause. So what's the difference between you and I?
The difference is, I'm just gonna kill you.